Did Anthropic just quietly crush OpenClaw? Yesterday, Anthropic dropped a feature that most people scrolled right past, called Dispatch, a new research preview inside Claude Cowork that lets you text your desktop AI agent from your phone. Let me say that again. You can now send a message from your phone, and Claude Cowork, running on your computer, will execute the task and have the finished work waiting for you when you get back to your computer. Sound familiar? It should. That's exactly what OpenClaw does. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. This isn't just one feature, it's a pattern. 2 weeks ago, Cowork quietly shipped scheduled tasks, which are basically cron jobs, recurring automations, and things like that. That was the number one thing that OpenClaw had that Claude didn't. Now they've added remote messaging from your phone. Browser automation, already baked in through a Chrome plugin. Anthropic isn't copying OpenClaw. They're systematically dismantling every advantage it has and building it into their own platform. Sure, OpenAI recently hired the creator of OpenClaw, and the open source project now has OpenAI's fingerprints all over it. But Anthropic is taking a different approach. They're making their first-party products so capable, you don't need a third-party tool at all. Here's what Claude Cowork can do right now. It can run persistent AI sessions on your desktop, execute scheduled tasks automatically, accept instructions remotely from your phone, browse the web and take actions in Chrome, access and manage files on your local computer, and connect to external tools via MPC servers. That's not a chatbot, that's an autonomous agent living on your computer. The real question isn't, is Cowork an OpenClaw killer? It's, how long is it until there's no reason to use anything else? Right now, Dispatch is still in research preview mode. It's a bit rough around the edges. You need the latest desktop app and the latest mobile app. You have to pair your phone. It's a little bit janky, but that's how every platform shift starts. Slightly janky to amazing. Here's my prediction. Within 3 months or less, Cowork will do everything OpenClaw does and more. Scheduling is there, the remote access is there, the browser automation is there. The pieces are already on the board. Anthropic is just moving them into position. If you're building with AI agents, pay attention to Cowork. Not for what it is today, but for what it's clearly becoming. The companies that bet on first-party agent platforms early will have a massive head start. So what do you think? Is Anthropic about to make standalone AI agent tools obsolete? Drop your take in the comments. And if you haven't yet, check out my free daily AI briefing newsletter at johnelder.ai. See you next time.